Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the picture of a song on Soundtrap. To change the picture, which is the cover image of a song or project on Soundtrap, follow these detailed steps. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and go to Soundtrap web app at soundtrap.com and log in to your Soundtrap account using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the project section on the homepage and find the project for which you want to change the picture or the cover image. And don't click on it. Don't click on it. So right here, next to the project name, you're going to find three dots menu. So let's say this is a project you're working on. The three dot menu next to the project title. This menu is here. And now once you click on that, you're going to see a couple of options. Invite, rename, change cover, publish, export, and delete. Now click on change cover. So that takes you right to this file dialog, or to this image dialog, where you can now select an image or drag it. So click on select, and that opens up the file dialog, where you can now select the image that you want to use from your computer. Okay. Choosing to open there. This is what I want to use. Then select open and see that that's going to be open. So once you've selected the image, click open or upload to add it as your new project picture and click on save. Now the image will now be updated to represent your song or your project. As you can see, that's the image. So once you're done, that's it. It's going to be automatically applied. After saving, you can now return to the project section of your project main page, which is here. You should now see a new cover displayed alongside the project name here. So ensure the image you are uploading is an accepted format, that is JPG and PNG. The image should be appropriately sized, ideally a square format for better display. And of course, if you're using Soundtrap for collaboration, this new image will be visible to your collaborators. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go, hoping this tutorial marvelously helps you search.